Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, welcome to another video. If you don't watch my last video, go check it out. It was the Adidas, well, I hope it's the last video, or it might be after this, I don't know. It was the blue Adidas stadium t-shirt, so go check that out. Also, please leave a like on this video. It helps me a lot, because it helps get the video shown to more people, I guess. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the Badge of Sport, Adidas Badge of Sport French Terry joggers. So the reason I got these joggers is because I needed a new pair of joggers because I've only got this joggers at the moment. I had the grey ones as well, but they're ripped. I've made a video on that as well, so you'll see that, and you'll see how good the Adidas customer service is. So yeah, that'll be the before this video, after this. I actually don't know. I'm too many videos behind that. I don't have a clue. So yeah, let's have a look here. So it comes in this cool packaging, as you can see. So when it came, it's flat like this. There's two packages inside there. Then you can open it as a box, which is pretty cool, isn't it, guys? Never seen any company do this before, so I'm pretty impressed. Okay, so these joggers, how much were they? Okay, so they were £37.95. I got it for £26.57 as a deal, I guess, which is a pretty good price, not gonna lie, for joggers, for the brand as well. Adidas is a decent brand. I really like Adidas, if you can't tell already. Okay guys, so it comes in this recyclable bag. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, that is soft. Actually, I will be able to, I probably will be able to try this on for you, but you won't be able to see long lengthwise how I look. I'll just wear it normally. So right now I'm wearing the nice London one. But yeah, okay. So this is really soft actually, guys. Oh, I hope it's got zip pockets. No. Oh man. Alright, so the main issue I have is I've got a lot of joggers with no zip pockets. Oh man. Fuck. This is not good, guys. This is not good. So the main reason I need zip joggers is because I carry two phones, and it usually falls out my pocket when I sit in the car or something, because my seat's like this. It's more down than normal, I guess. I like sitting further down, I guess. Yeah. So I guess I can't really use these anywhere either, unless, oh, they got like a what they call mesh. It's like a mesh inside, so like a breathable one, which is really cool. I like that. Okay, so this is the regular tapered one. You can get different ones. There's normal length, short length. It's for how you like, but most of them are sold out. This was the only one left in small, so I got it. Small is what size I wear because it fits me very well. You got the big Adidas sign logo there. Okay, this is really soft, guys. Wow, really impressed, guys. Even this, look at this. Look at the quality of this. Just a string. Look at the quality of this one. Nothing. Look at the quality of this. Oh my gosh. What can I say, guys? This is really impressive. Never thought I'd be impressed by a drawstring. Everything's high quality on this. So let's see. I don't think there is anything else on here apart from that big Adidas logo on the leg. So yeah, that's the only Adidas logo you got. It's like a massive Adidas logo on your leg, which is pretty cool, I guess. There's no other. Oh shit! Do you see that, guys? You see straight through the pants. Don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. It's like a breathable mesh. One second. How can I show you guys? I'll put a flashlight through it, then you can see the holes. Right, ready? Not like that. Where was the holes? Yeah, you can kind of see it there. So it's not picking up on camera very well, but I can see without the flashlight. I can see that there's tiny holes everywhere because it's like a breathable mesh, which is a bit weird, but not bad, I guess. I just wonder how see-through they are. Like from here, I can literally see, you can see on the camera there. Can you see? You can see through, straight through. So I'm thinking, So the inside's all made of breathable mesh, as you can see, which is very good for cooling wise. But will it last? That's the issue, because it might start ripping. because of how thin it is and stuff. Because that material is very thin, that mesh, which could be what caused all the problem on my last Adidas joggers. So who knows? But yeah, this is really good quality. The pockets are quite big. Yeah, they go quite deep as well. Pretty decent. I guess I'm gonna wear them, and I don't know how. I can't really show you how I'm gonna look on it. I don't even have a full length mirror anyway. Otherwise I could have showed you without a tripod. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wear it, tell you how comfy it is, and if it fits me, and then I'll show you how it looks on my leg, I guess. Wow. What can I say, guys? These are some of the comfiest joggers I've worn in my life. One thing I don't like about Adidas is they always put these stupid labels with a thingy straight to the thing, so you have to cut it off, and now there's a hole in my pants, like on the belt thing. So right there's like a hole there on the back side. So yeah, but yeah, these are some of the comfiest joggers I've ever worn in my life. Adidas quality is always good in terms of comfiness, so I'm really impressed. You got the Adidas sign there. It's not too bad, like it's not chavvy, so that's what I like. It's pretty good. It looks alright. It feels very good, and yeah, it's very tapered actually. It's not bad for normal length, so I like that. I highly recommend this one. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.